Hey there, welcome to week 27 of math. Past couple weeks, we haven't done any math Zooms, and we've been working on all kinds of different skills that we've learned throughout the year. This week, we are going to use those Zooms. So, we are going to meet on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And what we will do is each day we'll do something a little bit different. Um, I'm going to just do a regular math lesson. Instead of putting it on Nearpod, I'm going to do it in front of everybody in class. Please make sure if you're online that you're following our Zoom schedule so you'll be with us on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 9:30. Wednesday, of course, you'll have a Nearpod. So, what are some of the things we're going to be working on this week? Well, we're going to continue to work on fractions. We're getting there, we're getting better with it, but we still need to remember that if we're talking about fractions, if you don't have a numerator, your top number, and a bottom number, your denominator, you're not writing a fraction. And so, whatever answer you're giving for a question is not going to be right. We're getting much better at figuring out how to solve problems to deal with fractions, but we still got to work on writing them. Also, we're going to focus on money. So, money is a skill that gave a lot of us a hard time the past couple of weeks with the Nearpods or the worksheets that you were doing in class. So, we're going to continue to work on money again this week as well. So, again, we'll be doing that live one day. So, I'll be demonstrating for you. Um, if you have any money at home that you could use for the lesson, that would be helpful. So, if you guys collect loose change, get some of that out. Maybe ask if anybody has some paper money as well. Play money from the dollar store, from Dollar General, or Five Below, wherever you would go, even Walmart. If you would have some of that or could get that at a very cheap price, you may want to have that as well. It's just a little easier to count money when you actually have it in your hands. If you're at home, obviously, I will share my screen with you so you can see it. We'll even give you a chance to kind of count it by just touching the money on your screen. That will work well too if you don't have any paper money or play money at home that you so we're really going to focus on those two skills the first 2 days, and then we'll see how those go to determine what we're going to do on Thursday and Friday. If we can move on to different skills Thursday and Friday, we will. Most likely, we'll be taking a look at work problems again, and then looking at one of our operations. If we need to stick with money and um, fractions. Sorry, I almost forgot. If we need to stick with money and fractions, we will. But I would like to try to move on if we can. So we'll see how this week works for us. The last 2 weeks have worked very well with you guys working at your own pace. A little bit of help and direction that you needed before the lessons and then after the lessons really showed that it helped you guys. So I want to see how much it showed or how much it helped by having us do it together as a class, so I can actually see it in action and make sure that it's what we're suggesting or how we're helping you that helps, or maybe you're learning another way. Maybe somebody at home's helping you. If that's the case, I'd like to know that too, because maybe the way they're teaching you or helping you would help other kids in our class. We'll have all those discussions this week in our Zooms. Wednesday, St. Patrick's Day, so you'll have a nice little activity to do for St. Patrick's Day. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started with this week's lessons. 9:30, we'll see you on Zoom for our Monday class, as well as Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 9:30 on Zoom. All right, guys, look forward to working with you this week.